Okay, here we are at my listing at 4641 Samuelson. So it is on a very quiet street, and look at it, it's at the base of this gorgeous mountain. There's going to be some sun in the way here. Not sure if we could see it properly, but again, quiet street. And there's a beautiful pond here and a creek on the property. This is the original house here. So it's 3 bedrooms, so 2 bedrooms upstairs, and it has a 1 bedroom downstairs. The basement could use a little work. It's not really completely finished. However, I mean, it's very functional. There is a wood stove, a furnace. It's absolutely fantastic. And I will, of course, show you that. 2-car carport. And here, let's take a quick look here. So this pond, and the creek is right there as well. There it is. You can see that flowing creek. It's a year-round creek, so it's nice to have that water here, which is absolutely beautiful. Look at this tree. There it is. Beautiful creek. And here is a 3-bay workshop. Okay, here's the 3-bay workshop, and I will definitely show you inside. But for now, just a quick tour of the outside. And you have mountains all around. The views are spectacular. And here is the cabin with its garage. So gorgeous cabin, was built only in 2017, and the garage quite this year, I believe it completed just this year. The garage doors just came on. And you have this beautiful garden back here. We're all getting ready for spring. There's perennials, there's some fruit trees, and this fantastic chicken coop. So it's completely ready for homesteading. Yeah, let's quickly go around here. So again, this is that cabin there with the garage. And let's take a look back here. This will be the back of the house here. So the garden area is quite large, and it's all deer fenced. And this is the back of that home. And this is the back of the workshop, and here's like a little tool shed as well for gardening. Look at that mountain. Okay, let's go take a look inside this house. So the metal roof was done about 10 years ago. The back deck was 2021, so it was just done a few years ago. And yeah, let's go take a look. So this is that main floor of the original house. Okay, there we go. Let's start with the dining kitchen area. So very bright dining room. You have 2 large windows, and this is facing the front. And the kitchen's right here. See if I can get all of that in the shot. Kitchen. So propane gas stove. Lots of windows. So you are facing the front here where the front porch is. There we go. You can kind of see that out the window. There we go. Okay. Now we'll go into the living room area. So quite spacious. There we go. Living. They do have a wood burning stove here, but it's not hooked up, so they're using the one downstairs. And huge windows. Again, this is facing the front, and this would technically be your front door entrance if you wanted to come and have your guests come from the front door, which I think will be absolutely beautiful. You can unload here, and then you have this big living room. There we go. And the master is just on this side here. There we go. So pretty good sized master bedroom. Real hardwood floors here. And these doors open up to the back of the property, and that's that porch where we were. So you can have that just straight to the back, which is lovely. Closets. And this bathroom has been updated throughout the years. There we go. In the bathroom. All right. And then we'll go back this way. Here's another bedroom. Oh, I don't have the light on. There we go. Yeah, just another bedroom. And then on the main floor, you also have a powder room and laundry. So very convenient here. And I'll take you quickly downstairs. So the basement is mostly unfinished. It does have a bedroom down there, which is nice to have that extra spare bedroom. Let's take a look here. So here's that bedroom. So it's very spacious, tons of room down here. And wood stove, furnace, and hot water tank are all down here. Tons of space for storage. There's cold rooms down here, all that fun stuff. And then this door also goes to the carport. So really quickly can come right out to the carport. So a lot of entrances in and out. Okay, so I left through the carport downstairs. So there's two carport here. And let's go take a very quick look at the 3-bay workshop. I mean, it's amazing for a car enthusiast or anybody that really just wants to do a lot of shop stuff, woodworking, or anything they would like to do. And so 3 bays here. I'm not going to get too much into detail as this speaks for itself. So there we go. Lots of space, really high ceilings. Lots of light, and then the other two are this way. So I'm not going to film it because there's a lot of equipment in there, and I did mention that I won't be filming that. So yeah, but lots of space again, high ceilings. And if we go out this way, so this is the back of the house, and this is the side of the workshop. There's a little bit of a tool shed here, which is fantastic for more storage, because let's face it, we always need storage, right? Lots of storage here. And yeah, let's go to the cabin. I can't wait to show you that. The cabin was built in 2017, metal roof, and it's absolutely gorgeous. This is that fenced garden space again. And this garage, 1-car garage, has been built, just finished this year. So the doors were just put on. So it's fabulous to have an extra garage space here. Let's go take a look into the cabin. Okay. And here's the cabin. Very high ceilings, lots of natural light. It's absolutely gorgeous. So wood stove, wet certified, and it keeps this place so nice and toasty all winter. And it's got a little kitchenette there, tons of windows. Like you can see there's windows everywhere. Heat pump, so for air conditioning and heat for the winter as well if you want a little bit of extra, which is wonderful. Tons of space for storage, and there's just the utilization of space in here is spectacular. So wood, just absolutely gorgeous. And again, just more storage here. So this is just underneath that loft, perfect for pantry and storage. And here, I'll just open this up for underneath the stairs. Again, stairs, so just more storage here underneath the stairs. And let's take a look upstairs. And this is that back deck. So covered back deck, and it leads right to the deer fenced garden. This is that chicken coop, and it's just that, like, the porch is absolutely amazing. Let's see if I can capture it. So you have like a little porch area, and it's covered to enjoy the outdoor space. Oh, but before we go upstairs, there's the little den area here, perfect for office. Let's see if I can capture all of this. Just absolutely beautiful. All right, let's go upstairs. So upstairs has a bathroom and a bedroom. And a laundry as well. So it has a stackable washer dryer here. A window. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that tub. Love it. Okay, see the bedroom. And then the bedroom. How cozy is that? And again, 2 large windows. Just the natural light is spectacular. The high ceilings. Let's take a look from above. There we go. Kitchen area. Dining, living room. You can see the whole space. There we go. All right, I think that will conclude our tour. Head downstairs. And that is it. Look at that space. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, any questions? Let me know. I'm happy to help.